Hi, and welcome to another edition of The Week Ahead. The economic data releases scheduled for Monday, 23rd of July, appear very light. More significant economic data releases will start from Tuesday, 24th of July. On Tuesday at 8 a.m. and 9 a.m., French, German, Eurozone flash PMIs for July will be released. Eurozone Services PMI is expected to show a weaker number at 53.7 from previously published number of 55.2. Eurozone Manufacturing PMI is expected to show an increase to 55 from previously published 54.9. These figures could impact volatility in European equity indices and also in euro currency crosses. Also on Tuesday, 24th of July at 2:45 in the afternoon, US manufacturing and service flash PMI readings for July will be published. Manufacturing PMIs are expected to increase to 55.5 from previously published 55.4. Services PMI is expected to fall to 56.3 from previously published 56.5. These figures could impact volatility in US equity indices and also in US dollar currency crosses. On Wednesday, 25th of July, at 3:30 in the afternoon, US crude oil inventories for week ending 20th of July are due for release. Storage inventories are forecasted to show a drawdown of minus 3.4 million barrels from a build of 5.8 million barrels in inventories published last week. This data could impact volatility in WTI crude futures, but also in Brent crude futures. On Thursday, 26th of July at 12:45 and also at 1:30 p.m. UK time, ECB monetary policy statement and press conference are scheduled. This is probably the most important economic data event for this calendar week. This time around, no change in ECB rate policy is expected. However, market participants will be closely watching for any comments about potential changes in the future during the press conference at 1:30 p.m., which follows the interest rate decision. These events will impact volatility in Eurozone equity indices and euro currency crosses. And finally, on Friday, 27th of July at 1:30 p.m., US GDP is released by the Bureau of Economic Analysis, and it shows the monetary value of all the goods, services and structures produced within a country in a given period of time. Q2 preliminary number is expected to show a growth of 2.3% quarter on quarter from previously published 2.2%. This data could impact volatility in US equity indices and also US dollar currency crosses. Now, let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar continues with this current sideways consolidation, which has a bearish stance. Current price action appears to be protracted sideways consolidation. It's capped by this initial upside resistance that we talked about in the past at 117.50. As long as 117.50 resistance holds, bearish outlook is favored, pointing to the initial downside supports at 116.45, followed by 115.80 and also 115.30 levels. Alternatively, a confirmed breakout above 117.50 resistance and the daily close higher would change the outlook, targeting upside resistance at 1.18, followed by 1.1850, 1.1870, even 1.19 levels. WTI Crude awaits inventory data supported by $67. WTI crude price action bounced back off the rising support trend line at 67 level. Bulls appear to be in control above, targeting the initial upside resistance at 69, 69.35, followed by 70, 70 and 71.80 levels. Alternatively, confirmed loss of 67 support level and a daily close below would change the bullish outlook, targeting downside supports at 65.73 and 64.10. Finally, let's take a look at dollar Japanese yen. This pullback is indicative of US dollar weakness. Key level to watch is at 111. This recent pullback in dollar Japanese yen price action could be supported by psychologically important 111 level. Confirmed bounce back at 111 would support bullish outlook, targeting upside resistance at 112, followed by 112.36 and 113. Alternatively, confirmed loss of 111 support level and the daily close below would change the outlook to bearish, targeting downside supports at 110.35, followed by 109.90 and 109.60. Stay safe, happy trading, and I'll talk to you soon.